Hey guys, how are you all? Welcome to Shishu World. So today we are going to make a fish recipe. This can be given to school-going children and of course adults. It's very easy to make. We are going to use basa fish for it. It is a fillet that is boneless fish, and we have butter, garlic, and lemon. So this will be a fish in lemon butter garlic sauce. We have some salt and some mixed Italian herbs. So I'm using the regular pasta seasoning, which is easily available everywhere. The first thing that we do is chop the garlic very fine. If you want, you can even grate it with a cheese grater or crush it with a garlic crusher. It's up to you, but it should be finely chopped. Now, here I have taken a large lemon, so we'll take out the juice of this lemon. Roughly 2 teaspoons, 2 to 3 teaspoons of juice is what you need. So I am just squeezing the lemon, and in this bowl only I will prepare the marinade for the fish. So I add the chopped garlic to it. I add some salt. This is to taste. I've roughly taken about a teaspoon, and this is the melted butter. Butter I've taken about a teaspoon, and then roughly I just add some mixed herbs, mix the whole marinade. This recipe is really easy, and it comes out well every time. So I'm now just marinating the fish. So all we have to do is use the whole of the marinade. Then I realized that it is a better idea to do this in the baking dish itself, so that I do not lose out on this nice marinade, because this is what the sauce will be along with the juices from the fish. So all that we do is make sure that the marinade reaches every corner of the fish, both sides, and then let it sit for 20 to 30 minutes, at least 15 minutes depending on what time did you have. And after that we bake it in an oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 15 minutes, and that is it. It will be very nice, very flaky. The children are going to love it because it is very mild. It doesn't have very strong flavors. It goes well with any kind of rice or bread. I do hope you enjoyed the recipe and will try it. And if you did, please give it a thumbs up. And we'll see you again very soon. Take care of yourself. Bye bye.